Welcome to our journey into the intriguing chapters of Ezekiel 33 to 36, where ancient prophecy unfolds with lessons timeless and profound. Whether you're new to the Bible or revisiting these pages, these chapters are bursting with impactful messages and vivid imagery that resonate to this day. Ezekiel 33 introduces the responsibility of the prophet as a watchman for the people of Israel. Here, Ezekiel is tasked with warning the people against their sins. The standout verse, Ezekiel 33:11, is a plea from God. "I take no pleasure in the death of the wicked, but rather that they turn from their ways and live." This emphasizes God's desire for repentance rather than punishment. Moving to Ezekiel 34, we find a sharp critique of Israel's leaders, likened to negligent shepherds. God promises to take over their role personally and be the shepherd who truly cares for his flock, showing incredible compassion and commitment. Noteworthy is Ezekiel 34 verse 31, where it states, "You are my sheep, the sheep of my pasture, and I am your God." In Ezekiel 35, the prophecy shifts focus to Mount Seir and the nation of Edom, which embodies the judgment against the enemies of Israel. This chapter highlights the theme of divine justice, underlying that wrongdoing against God's people will lead to accountability and recompense. And finally, Ezekiel 36 brings a promise of restoration and renewal. God reassures Israel of restoration, cleansing, and a new heart and spirit. It's in verse 36:26 where God promises, "I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit in you." This reveals hope and transformation, portraying a God who restores and revitalizes his people. These chapters are a powerful narrative of accountability, leadership, justice, and renewal, where God's voice calls for reflection and change. They remind us of the eternal themes of responsibility and hope, for even in judgment, there is always a path to redemption. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into these powerful scriptures and unravel their meaning for us today.